Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel, and today I will be making some smothered ground turkey patties with gravy and mashed potatoes and green beans. I have some ground turkey here and I have already seasoned it, and what you want to do is put your ground turkey into balls like this before you put it in the skillet. So you want to get it to a nice size like this. I am using 3 pounds of ground turkey, so that should be 2 packs of ground turkey, and I am using butterball ground turkey. I find that this particular brand of ground turkey has the best flavor. So if you have any butterball ground turkey at your local grocery store, I suggest you buy this brand. Now, I was able to buy this particular butterball brand of ground turkey. It's available at Walmart. So if you live near a Walmart, I suggest you go buy from here, or maybe they may carry it at other stores in your area. So I have the 85% lean ground turkey that only has 15% of fat in it. So once you have formed your balls, so out of 2 packs, I was able to make 10. Now, once you have formed your balls, you want to make sure that you have a skillet, and you want to coat your skillet with some oil so you can fry it down. Okay, this is the end result of our ground turkey. So now I have my nonstick skillet that I want to coat the bottom of the pan with some canola oil. So you don't need it too much, you just want to coat your pan. I have a spatula that I will be using to flatten this, because you want to make it into hamburger patties. Okay, so I'm putting my Worcestershire sauce on my meat. Okay, let's put our patties into the skillet. Sorry, our meatballs into the skillet. You want to flatten it out with your spatula. Should make a perfectly round hamburger patty. So this is the reason why you want to form a ball with your ground turkey. And guys, if you don't eat ground turkey, you can also make this with ground beef. Be sure you get some lean ground beef if you are going to go with ground beef versus ground turkey. Don't worry if you cannot fit them all into your skillet. As it cooks, it will shrink and you can add them as you go along. Okay, so I seasoned it with some seasoned salt, and I used some parsley flakes and some Italian seasoning. And also you need some onion powder. So juicy. Okay, next I'm going to cover this up with some aluminum foil. Okay, time saving tip 101. If you have an extra skillet, use that instead of waiting to make more space in your other skillet. Okay, so make sure you flatten each hamburger patty out well. So now I have some gravy, and I'm going to place the hamburger patties inside of this pot with the gravy. Also make sure that you drain your hamburger patties on a paper towel, because no one wants to eat gravy with grease floating in it. So you want to be sure to do this with a paper towel. Make sure you double your paper towel to make sure you get all the excess grease. Okay, and I will be adding my chopped onion and chopped bell pepper. You want to allow this to cook on between low and medium heat. After 45 minutes, check your meat to make sure that it is done and that it does not have any red on the inside. For the gravy mix, I went ahead and made some brown gravy to put in this. You also want to use some of the Worcestershire sauce in your gravy mix. Please note that the recipe directions will be available on my food blog. That's T as in Tom, G as in Green, Plate, foodblog.blogspot.com, and the link will also be available below. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be notified of all videos posted, and share with your friends. Okay, our food is coming along good, as you can see. Look how yummy this looks.